Hi, I'm Anthony Pascarella.
Hi, I'm Gino Pascarella. We are Pascarella Brothers.
We have locations in Chatham and Morristown.
We have created a unique variation of an instant classic
With one simple twist.
All right, so we have this beautiful 10-pound pork loin here. It's not something so common that you see in the supermarket. Normally I would make some nice center cut sirloin pork chops, about 1.5 to 2 inch pieces, like so, and it would be beautiful. You can pan sear them and finish them off in the oven. But we're going to make some pork cutlets, some Parmesan crusted pork cutlets. We'll cut it right in half here. All right, so now we're going to hit our batter. A little flour, then egg, and then we're going to go into our crumb mixture. A little heavy on the Parmesan because it's Parmesan crusted, and that's all flavoring. All right, we'll drop that sucker right in the oil. All right. Here they go, beautiful golden brown. Oh man, they smell so good. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh my God. I had them pat and dry on some paper towel. Get some of the excess off. They're just beautiful. I wish you could smell this. Look at that. Beautiful. Not very difficult. It's an easy thing to do. We're going to let these cool. And let me get some sauce and some fresh shredded mozzarella. I'll be right back. Pascarella Brothers homemade sauce here. We'll carry it over. If you don't have your own, we make our own, Pascarella Brothers. A little bit of sauce on the bottom. I like to use the Pyrex. It always cooks a little better in the Pyrex. And it reminds me of how Mom used to do it in the Pyrex. Go. Coat the pan evenly. Very nice, Mike. And there we go. Very simple, very basic. I'm sure you all made chicken parm 100 times. Just whatever fits. You don't need to crowd your pan. If you can only fit four it is. It's fine.
Nice, simple dish
That your entire family will enjoy. Doesn't that look delicious? Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. Thank you.
Thanks.